Apple Macs failed again.
Or not yet.
Basically. So, as you all know, Teach Me Code is working on an amazing project that we call it a box project right now. So we have 3 little babies here, the Mac 2, right?
Mini Mac.
Yes, Mini Macs. So what is the concept? We're connecting all 3 boxes together and using the EXO software to create a local server. Since those boxes already comes with the certain database.
Well, actually, built in, yes.
Yes,
AI
built-in
built-in
data, it creates an AI.
Yes,
Cool,
that's very
right?
true. Yes, very cool.
Okay, would have been if not the issue that we're facing currently. So the issue that we're facing currently is that the input that we're putting in does not match the output that we're expecting to receive.
Yes.
So on a basic level of a conversation, this whole system supports it. But when you move with more complex tasks and requests, like let's say a lines of code to be written, you have to go into very details. From what I understood is you have to exactly tell them, for example, write for me this line of code for this purpose. It will be added here and etc. and etc. And that's a lot of time consuming operation, which we want to avoid. So therefore, right now we're trying to understand if the issue is with the software or with the boxes.
So far, we've been doing a lot of tests on the hardware wise and the software wise. We're trying to couple them together because we have high expectations. We want to do like a lot of processes, a lot of tasks with this server, with these tools we have here. So far, we have these tools. We have these 3 mini Macs with built-in the AI. We try to couple them together with the EXO software. The outcomes are not up to our expectations. We want high expectations. So far, we're trying to do some tests on the mini Macs, on the hardware, okay, and on the software. We're trying to do like not just test. Actually, we're trying to level up even the software, okay, to integrate a new way to connect the 3 of them together. So yeah.
I think this is a very cool project because why? My favorite part from the box that first of all, it's the security reasons, right? It gives
very important.
Yes, which is very important because it doesn't work with OpenAI, correct?
Yes, yes.
Exactly. So therefore, you shouldn't be very worried about what information that you're sharing.
Exactly, exactly. It's local.
Yes.
It's local, so you don't have to don't worry about any attacks, any cybersecurity from the internet, all these stuff. No, it's for you, only for your business, for your stuff.
Sounds great. Second part, which I really like, is that you can work on it in offline mode, correct?
Yes, yes. Well, that was the main purpose of it.
So, which means that it's perfectly suitable for any remote model of businesses.
Yes, exactly. Even at homes. You can have it at your home. Like everyone, every family can have their own.
That's great. And the third one is maybe the size of the local server. Imagine having 3 boxes as your local server instead of having this gigantic server rooms, maintaining them, the cost of
you don't have to do that. Everything. Yes, exactly. Like we have now. You can see this, but in the end, it will be just like a very small contained box. You don't have to worry about anything. Just a plug in, plug out, you'll be having everything.
So basically, in order for us to achieve all this, first we need to understand whether it's the software that does not support the box, or it's the, how can I tell you, or it's the capacity of the box, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, let's say that it's the issue with the box. What would be the alternative solution for that? So
I think so far we need to replace them. Okay, or get like higher level, or we just we get other products apart from Apple or something like that. Anything that supports our project. So far, Apple is the best for us, but we're working on it. We're doing our test, and hopefully it works best for us.
So, which means that So far, our project is at this stage where we're trying to figure out whether we're going to continue using the same software or we're going to move on with replacing the boxes. I guess by the end of this week, we're going to have a very clear vision on what's coming next. So in our next episode of the vlog, we will be able to identify the issue and come up with the solution. And let's see what we're expecting next.
Fingers crossed.